Welcome to 90 Double Creations. Today we're turning a Christmas blank, red and green, into a Vertex rollerball pen. I've gotten a couple of questions about the ashtray that I carved. I've smoked about 15 cigars ashed in there, and that's what it's done since smoked and ashed in there, so haven't done anything to it. Still looks really good. So answer those questions, how this turned out and how it's reacting to the cigar ash really well. So let's get to this, and we will get this party started. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas if they're watching this before, and if they're watching after Christmas, happy belated Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's get over to the lathe and get this turned.